The Karnataka gold smuggling scandal unravels. Kannada starlet Ranya Rao broke down in court alleging mental harassment just days after she was caught with over 14 kilograms of gold. The arrested actor claims she was mentally harassed by the investigation agencies and was forced to sign documents and taken to undisclosed locations. But the probe agency, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, claims Ranya has not been cooperating in the probe and does not give answers during interrogation, claiming they have a recording of the entire grilling session as evidence. Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar denied any Congress link to the smuggling case, calling all allegations hurled by the BJP as political gossip. BJP earlier claimed that ministers from Siddaramaia's cabinet are involved in the smuggling matter.
Some of the senior ministers are fully supporting Ranya Rao, or we don't expect a protocol and no frisking for that lady who repeatedly visited Dubai and other foreign countries. And every time when she had come back to Bangalore, police security was given. There was no frisking. A powerful Chief Minister Siddaramaiah must have also got the information. So my demand is, Mr. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, please disclose the name of the ministers who are involved in this gold smuggling case.
गोल्ड स्मगलिंग में कौन इसके पीछे है, ये अकेला कर नहीं सकता. कहाँ लेके जा बेचता था, वो भी जांच होना. उनके पीछे कौन है, वो भी जांच होना. सभी जांच होने के बाद मालूम होगा. बड़ा रिपोर्ट आया है 2 मंत्रियों के बारे में. कौन है 2 मंत्री, उसको बारे में भी जांच होना.
Do you think that this whatever smuggling, what these people are speaking, will anybody even forget about Congress? Even BJP or JDS, will they get involved in this kind of scandals? Naturally, they want to paint some kind of negative pictures. I don't think so. We need to give importance. Anyway, CBI is also coming into the picture. Let them investigate. Let them give the clarity to the Karnataka people. We are also waiting for that.
The Deputy Chief Minister says that there is no link with Congress ministers. All of this is just gossip, says DK Shivakumar, in connection with the investigations in the Ranya Rao matter. The BJP has put the blame on the Congress. The Congress, on the other hand, says that land associated with Ranya was given to a firm that was associated with Ranya Rao, and that was done when the BJP was in power. So if there is any nexus, it's between the BJP and Ranya Rao and not the Congress and Ranya Rao, is what the Congress has now said. That matter continues to turn further political. These allegations, in fact, flying thick and fast again. But the politics on this continues. DK Shivakumar says, listen, there is no link with any ministers and that this is just rumor. These are just political gossip.
Absolutely. The politics has begun in gold smuggling. If you notice that BJP has raised the issue on the floor of House yesterday, and DK Shivakumar has given a clarification that these are political gossips. What do you have to say? We are joined with BJP MLA, Mr. Bharat Shetty. Sir, DK Shivakumar, I have to say that these are all political gossips. What is your opinion?
DK Shivakumar saying that is his point of view maybe, or he is trying to escape from the whole issue. Police giving protocol to a gold smuggler is not a political issue. It's a failure of law and order in the state, and how the police force is being misused for gold smuggling. That is the issue. It is not a political issue.
But there are also a few Congress leaders who are blaming BJP, saying that within 9 months of time, you have given a land from KIDB. She registered her land in 2022. In 23, you have already sanctioned a land when she has applied for it, whereas people have to wait for years together for this.
See, there's a process for applying for land. I don't know what the process they have followed. And the land has been allotted but not given into her custody or anyway the company's custody. It is still in the custody of the KIDB only. And second thing, the government is the Congress government is there. They can do an investigation on that, whether the land has been given or not. I read in the press report only that the land is still with the KIDB. Whatever is the matter, they can do investigation about that. The issue is you have misused the police force to do gold smuggling. Point is that.
Will the BJP continue your protest against this?
Yeah, we are going. We have to protest. It's a failure of law and order in the state. There is rapes happening in the state. There is anti-national issues happening in the state, and the government is sponsoring those issues also. And there is a misuse of the police force in the state. Obviously, we are going to protest against this.
This is what the BJP MLA, Mr. Bharat Shetty, had to say, who claims that law and order situation in the state is not in the proper hands. And they also claim that there is a misuse of police force when it comes to gold smuggling. Remember, she is a stepdaughter of a DGP rank officer in Karnataka. And the entire blame game is just because she has misused the protocol inside airport. And that is the reason the BJP is targeting the Congress, saying that she has misused the entire protocol service.
Sagay Raj, I'm going to thank you for getting in those details and joining in with your inputs on that story. Staying with Ranya Rao, let's tell you a little about how all of this started, from starlet to smuggler. This is the story of Ranya Rao, a Kannada actor who was caught with over 14 kilograms of gold. In custody since 4th of March, the actor now claims she is being traumatized by the DRI and broke down during a court hearing. Here are the details of what has happened so far.
A starlet to an alleged smuggler. Ranya Rao has become Karnataka's golden girl, but not the glittering star she may have aspired to be. In custody till March 24th, the Kannada actor now says that she's traumatized and emotionally broken. During the court hearing, Ranya broke down and made severe accusations against the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Ranya claimed that officials verbally abused her during the interrogation, but the authorities have rejected this claim. She also alleged that she was forced to sign documents without her consent, to which the DRI responded that Ranya is not cooperating with the probe. Ranya stated that she was threatened with consequences for remaining silent, which the DRI dismissed. She also claimed that officials were pressurizing her. The DRI defended their actions, stating that questioning her cannot be considered torture. When the court asked further questions, Ranya, in a trembling voice, claimed to have suffered mental harassment, to which the DRI responded that her lawyers were influencing her statements. This smuggling saga has also taken a political turn, while it has now emerged that land was sanctioned for one of Ranya's firms by the Bommai government. The BJP claims that a senior Karnataka minister is shielding her.
Let them say so. Who has influenced, who has directed, or the committee has taken a decision. There is a single window committee in that. There's so many people are there, senior officers are there, and ministers. Ultimately, it comes to the minister.
They had applied, and it has gone through the legal channels. Land Audit Committee was there, and it has cleared it. And then the final proceedings were done under the president of the industry minister at a state level, single window agencies. It doesn't come to Chief Minister.
For now, Ranya Rao remains in custody, with a bail hearing scheduled for Tuesday. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, so why are there just so many gold smuggling cases from Dubai? There's a big difference, remember, for starters in gold prices. And that's where all of this really starts. Now, 22 carat gold price in Dubai is at about 77,550 rupees for 10 grams versus 80,000 for 10 grams in India. For 22 carat gold, the price difference is over 5,000 between Dubai and India gold prices. Ranya allegedly smuggled 14.8 kilogram of gold. The cost of that was based on today's prices are at 12 crore in Dubai versus 13 crore in India, which means smuggling gold from Dubai meant a profit of 63 lakh in one trip. Well, let's delve deeper and talk how much of a difference that made overall for Ranya. In 27 trips in 2025 alone, it would have meant a profit of over 17 crores. Why is gold so much more cheaper in Dubai? In Dubai, GST, import duty and gold in fact in India, is not there in fact in Dubai. The making charges also are much more in India than in Dubai. Purity is assured in Dubai and in India it isn't. So if you're wondering how much gold you can buy and bring back to the country, here's what you need to know. A kilo of gold can be brought back by those who have been based in UAE for over 6 months. Duty-free import rules vary for men and for women. 20 grams for men, 40 grams for women, which is the same for children too. Norms are stricter between UAE and India because of countless smuggling incidents like that of Ranya Rao. We're telling you about the difference in prices of gold in Dubai versus the prices of gold in India. The difference is where the profit is, and that's why people like Ranya Rao